with Coke Studio. Itong ating next artist na talaga naman kilala na natin. They are one of the icons of the P-pop scene and they're slowly rising to be one of the top acts of not only their generation but arguably also the whole OPM industry. Alam niyo ba itong grupo na to, they take representing the youth to heart. They want to embody the idea of modern Filipinas, sweet, fierce, independent, and woke. Kaya sobrang fitting ng group name nila in trying to be the modern Filipina. Eto na guys! Kaya naman mga blooms ng Tagubang City! Sa kanila! Dahil wala na akong boses! Ready na ba kayo makisayaw? Ready na ba kayo makikanta? Alam nila ang mga kanta nila, ladies and gentlemen! Tagubang City! Without further ado, only here in Coke Studio stage, brought to you by Paulus and Coca-Cola. Mag-ingay para sa premier female pop group of the Philippines, the nation's girl group, TV!
the things you gotta see. The numbers and letters, you still your shape, it's precious. Baby, I believe I can be. Just be on the beat, you'll see. No, don't you ever question that. Your worth is so much more than that's a fact. All about the battle, see the sound, like an arrow. Holding on my line, for all of me. Precious are the jewels you could ever find. You shine brighter. My love, I'm giving it the more. Getting thick like dark hair. Skin tight, color records, here I go together. Can't be leather, can't be puffy, love long there. Gotta be empowered when we got there. Oh no, don't you ever question that. Your worth is so much more, and that's a fact. What about the battles? I see it shining, looking back. Holding on my life, for all of the days. Gotta love me, feel me inside, but the more I learn, the more we learn. Just turn on the dial, love yourself. Just let the fire go, hindi ka mawawala. Just love yourself. Atli, bangus sa inyo. Sana all. Kaya hindi bangus. Give me bangus, please. Ayan. Grabe, thank you so much for the warm welcome. Ito yung first time natin mag-perform check, di ba? It's our first time.
Yeah, it's our first time. Grabe. Grabe kayo, no? Ganito talaga dito. Ganito ka. Hindi ba kayo naiinitan?
Actually, nakita namin, nakinig kayo! Actually, nakita namin yung video na ang dami na agad tao dito, umagang-umaga pa lang. Despite the init, 49 degrees, grabe, di ba?
Yes! And guys, sa pag-ingat tayo kasi yung init lately. Sana mag-ingat pa na tayo. Or tsaka sa mga nasa puno, just kung mag-ingat ko kaya sa baba, mag-ingat safety. I think it's better na we go down and yes, you'll be one of Grabe, sobrang thankful kami kasi ano oras na ba? Nandito pa rin kayo. Yung mga pumunta dito sobrang aga. Sobrang madilim yung araw. And sana talaga okay pa kayo. And huwag mo muna tayo umuwi. Yes, we are. We'll be having a lot of songs stuff for you guys. Okay pa ba kayo?
Wait lang, may nakita ako. Ano kung amoy bangus ka daw ba? Amoy bangus si Jo.
Ay, amoy bangus. Guys, kasi yung sa backstage namin, ang ulam namin ay bangus! Ikaw naman. Kayo ba? Anong ulam nyo? Bangus lang. With? Bangus with? Yes, and guys, since ayaw pa talaga ninyo umuwi, well, this song is for you, and this next song is for all of you guys.